Hi.
The letter R.
What you got there?
The letter A.
What you got there, honey?
This is the letter. This is the letter Q. 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 Can you find the letter X?
She's eating
This is
shoelaces.
the letter Q. This is the letter X. Can you find the ant? Ant starts with the letter A. Press the letter A. Thanks for learning with
Can
me.
you stop, please?
Bye-bye.
Ella. Hi. Goodbye.